Do you have your camp kitchen handled? Let's talk about that kitchen. Now, we love the outdoors, and we've discovered that a simple meal can be the perfect complement to our outdoor adventures. Now, we've also had our kitchen mishaps. Have you ever burnt yourself with those handles? Well, we have, and it hurts. Those handles, they can be misleading. And those portable fuel canisters we love for our kitchens, what do you do with them when they're empty? I mean, what? If you're not sure, you're not alone. We've surveyed over 1,000 outdoor enthusiasts, and over 66% of them, well, they didn't know either. Oh, we saw an opportunity for both education and innovation. Introducing Handled. It's a pot gripper and a fuel canister recycle tool. Manage your camp kitchen with confidence. For kitchen time, we have placed meaty silicone tabs on the front end for heat-resistant, scratch-resistant super grip. Pull that pivot pin, revealing the recycle tool. As that nut screws on, well, it's going to vent any remaining gas. Then push and puncture using that leverage arm. And yes, it does work on both large and small canisters. It's now ready for recycle. Let's get excited about it. And when we do our small part, I think your smiles get out for good.
Recycle! Recycle!
So join us on this journey. Get a grip on your kitchen. Get a grip of your kitchen. Man, that's a grippy kitchen. Just help us out. We need your help. It's a Kickstarter campaign. Handled. Get your camp kitchen handled.